Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli, in my Chevy Volt. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. Love your support and your comments, and on my awesome patrons. Great way to support my channel. You can be a patron or you can shop on my awesome electric Israeli store. Today's video is 5 reasons, my 5 type reason why you should consider Chevy Volt as your only car. And here are the 5 reasons. Number 5 is, believe it or not, and it may sound a little bit obvious, but this car is available. Okay, there are many electric cars that were produced in such small numbers that it's hard to find them new, and it's harder to find them used. And you will say, "Oh my God, what are you talking?" No, it's true. I can give you many examples of many wonderful electric and plug-in hybrid cars that were just not produced in big quantities for all kinds of reasons that we shouldn't get into. But Chevy Volt is an available car, whether new 2019, which is going to be produced for the next few more months. There's plenty inventory. I looked up in many lots and dealers. There's still a lot of them available. And also, once Chevy Volt is not being produced anymore, which is a shame, but that's another story, there is plenty second hands, a lot for half the price. You can get a Chevy Volt 2016, like the one I'm driving now, for half price, with 30,000-40,000 miles, which will last you for a long time. So there's plenty of them. You can find them on many car websites, dealers, and you name it. Number 4 is acceleration. I know this is not a Tesla, but it's the second best thing. It's an amazing fast car. I call this car a torque monster. I absolutely love it, whether it's on a hybrid mode or on the pure electric mode. It's a very fast car. You would love to take off from the line. It's a great acceleration, great ride quality, really an awesome car. Number 3, probably my favorite. Should have been number 1, but it made it to number 3. Number 3 is, I love hatch. I love hatchbacks. It's my favorite kind of car. It's a 5-door. You can flatten the seats behind, and you can I put here, a whole nursery school. You can put so many things in the back. It's amazing space. The hatch, it's tall, so you can stuff a lot of things. Took it to so many family trips, to Florida a couple times, to Canada, you name it. This car holds so many things. So it's a very day-to-day practical car. Love it. Number 2, it is a plug-in hybrid, but the battery is so big that you will drive in an electric mode 70, 80, some people even report 90% of the time. My MPGE is 120 miles per gallon. Okay, so most of the time it will give you between 35 miles in the cold winter to 60, 65, and I got one time 70 miles on one charge in the summer. It is a very big battery, which means that most of the time, if you charge every night, like you should, you will get tremendous amount of range, which will be more than what you need for your daily commute and your daily needs. All right? And number 1, there's no range anxiety whatsoever. Even though, like I said, you will drive most of the time in pure electric. If you want to take a long trip, you don't have to worry about charging, stopping. You put gas and you get 40 to 45 miles per gallon on average, which is wonderful fuel economy for this kind of car. So even though I considered it to be an electric car, it is an electric car, yet it has no range issues. You never have to worry about range anxiety. So that's the number 1, can be your only car, quote unquote. Your only car, quote unquote, if you live in areas when there are not public chargers, you live in an apartment or whatever, and charging is a challenge, then this kind of plug-in hybrid, it's the biggest battery of all plug-in hybrids, bigger than the Clarity, the Honda Clarity, which is also a wonderful car. But this is the biggest one, give you the most electric range in all of the plug-in hybrids. and in a very, very good price. Very good price. You can still get the tax incentive for the next couple months if you are going to get it right now. All right. So these are the 5 top reasons, in my opinion, why Chevy Volt is a wonderful, wonderful car for you to consider as your only car. All right, guys. If you have any others, if you own a Chevy Volt, I know some of you do. Please give me your number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And I'll see you tomorrow with another episode.